Welcome friends, family. Today, no intro here. I'm just gonna tell you exactly what we're doing. Changing an air filter in the Prius. Really easy and considerably cheaper than doing it at the oil change shop. Ready, set, here we go. And first things first, you're gonna want to open up your new air filter. I got this one off of Amazon for this much money. And again, they'll try to overcharge you at an oil change shop, not just for the parts, but also for the labor. It's 2023, you have YouTube, just do it yourself. Much easier. Once you have it unboxed, you're gonna need to pop the hood. And after you pop it, you're gonna wanna open the hood. Next, open the air filter housing. It should just have a few clasps on the side. Once that's off, you'll see your air filter. Ours wasn't too dirty, but it never hurts because it's only gonna help your gas mileage and make sure your engine's running right. Really, this part's as simple as can be. Take your old air filter out, put your new one in. The only thing I'll say is make sure the gasket around the outside is fully in place and secure. Once that's done, put the top back on, secure it, and then you're good to go. And it just is that easy, all in a day's work. And by a day's, I mean about 3 minutes. So, I don't know. I feel like I make these videos because when I'm learning how to do something, you get to then in return learn something as well. Give a penny, take a penny. Anyways, till next time. See you later.